What if I told you you could land a six-figure cybersecurity job without a tech degree, without knowing how to code, and without spending years in school? Right now, there are over 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs just sitting open. Companies are literally begging for people like you. You're probably thinking, but I don't have experience, I'm not technical. That's the biggest lie stopping people from winning. Most cybersecurity pros, they didn't start in tech. They were teachers, bartenders, Uber drivers. What they had was consistency, curiosity, and a plan. In this video, I'm giving you the exact roadmap to go from beginner to cybersecurity pro. No fluff, no tech bro gatekeeping, just the truth. Step 1. Learn the game. Cybersecurity is not just hacking in a hoodie. It's protecting people, data, and systems. Start with the basics. Use free tools. Try HackMe, Cybrary, Google's cybersecurity certificate. Learn the lingo. Phishing, malware, firewalls, exploits. That's your foundation. Step 2. Pick a path. Cybersecurity is massive. You've got Red Team, Blue Team, GRC, SOC Analyst, Threat Intel, and more. If you love puzzles, go Blue Team. If you're detail-oriented and love checklists, try GRC. Don't try to do it all. Pick one and go deep. Step 3. Get hands-on. You don't need a job to get experience. Set up a home lab. Break stuff, fix it. Do labs on Try Hack Me or Hack the Box. Learn by doing. That's how the pros do it. Step 4. Get certified. Start with CompTIA Security Plus, then move to CISSP, CEH, or OSCP depending on your path. Certifications don't guarantee jobs, but they open doors. Step 5. Build your brand. Cybersecurity is a community. Post your learning journey on LinkedIn, join Discord servers, follow Cyber Twitter. Opportunities don't always come from job boards. They come from visibility. Listen, I've seen single moms go from 30K admin jobs to 120K cyber careers in under a year. No degree, just execution and consistency. If they can do it, why not you? If you're serious about breaking into cybersecurity, start today. Watch more of our videos, download the free roadmap below, and hit subscribe for weekly breakdowns of high-paying cyber paths. The internet is the new battlefield, and every hero starts as a beginner. What role are you aiming for in cybersecurity? Comment below, let's go get it.